What bear market? Big money's piling into crypto and NFTs. One NFT investor threw away $300,000 on purpose. And BookGames are on fire. I'm Busy NFT, you're watching all things Web3. Now, crypto is down a bit from its all-time high in May, and we could be heading into a global recession. But you wouldn't know it with all this venture capital money flying around. Following the $50 million series raised by VeeFriends in July, Andreessen Horowitz's A16Z crypto fund also poured another $50 million in August into NFT Collective Proof, whom you may know from their popular project Moonbirds and founder Kevin Rose. Now, Doodles is getting in on the action by raising $54 million from Reddit's co-founder Alexis Ohanen's VC firm 776, and some others. Doodles plans to use the money to expand into music and gaming NFTs. I recently reported how Pharrell Williams was hired by Doodles as their chief brand officer and already partnered with Columbia Records to create a Doodles NFT music album. Perhaps more importantly, Doodle has announced they will create a new project, Doodles 2, which will be launched off of the Ethereum chain and will contain, quote, millions of tokens. Which chain exactly hasn't been announced yet. Another sign that you're in the right place is all of the corporate investments that have happened in crypto lately. Recently, Starbucks announced a partnership with Polygon. Committing to what most have seen as the primary NFT use case for retailers, Starbucks plans to launch Starbucks Odyssey and provide customers loyalty rewards via the blockchain. Starbucks also recently announced a partnership with DoorDash. So if you like cold coffee. Also, the NBA and SoRare have signed a multi-year agreement to create an NFT fantasy basketball game. SoRare already has deals with Major League Baseball, Major League Soccer, and some soccer leagues in Europe, and boast over 2 million users in over 185 countries. This will open the door for the NBA to engage with Web3 users in a new way, and is likely to be similar to what DraftKings has done with the NFL. Apparently, this has given the green light for NBA teams to jump into Web3 as well, and Chicago Bulls are offering their first NFT project, dropping on September 22nd. The Bulls collection is going to be offered on the Coinbase marketplace, which we've already discussed is struggling. Even so, seeing all these big names coming into Web3 could mean that they see potential ROI, or they could just run. Who knows? And it seems financial giants Citadel, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab think that they can do it better. And they announced plans this week to launch a new crypto exchange serving individuals and institutional investors. This comes as Fidelity has announced plans to allow Bitcoin into its current brokerage platform as well. All these moves seem really bullish for crypto, although maybe not yet for NFTs. With the falling crypto prices and governments seriously considering crypto laws, it looks like these companies are ready to play. To me, this should stabilize crypto prices in the next year, especially the big chains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, although I am bearish on these in the short term. But I am long on Bitcoin and crypto in the long term because I expect more companies to jump into Web3, and we're going to see more announcements like these more often. That said, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so invest wisely. Or don't. Maybe you've got money to burn that hasn't been eaten by inflation. Maybe you're like GVG.eth that purchased Pale Blue Death from Alpha Centauri Kid for 201 ETH. Which is about $325,000. GVG then took that NFT, that's worth $325,000, and immediately burned it by sending it to Ethereum's burn address.
Gone forever, Aaron Hernandez.
Wow. Finally, our fun trivia section.
It's time for our Did You Know?
Did you know over the past week, 114 book games have been purchased, raising the floor from 0.076 to 0.091 ETH. Gary did say today that he doesn't want to pump the floor, but someone is feeling BookGames. And if you're feeling my videos, please like and subscribe. If you didn't already get it from this video, Web3 is the future. BookGames is forever. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.